Best athlete, best game, yeah.
How we usually do it.
For a salty, alright.
Alright, this is official
I
now.
don't know, for a salty. You're getting too greedy.
This is the real deal right here.
Salty, oh, salty. The house gives back. The house feeling generous. Possibly Rudy could be in our team to level things out.
No, I think he should be able to go on their team.
Yeah.
We'll let Rudy pick. Rudy.
If he wants to play at it, do you want to play Rudy?
Doesn't.
Spectail.
Yeah.
Oh.
I want some coffee.
Here we go. Ricky coming up in with the win. Stealing the round.
I want to see some OCD with Remy.
OCD with Remy. First time
It's your night to shine like a diamond.
First time ever boiler. The house.
Oh,
The house.
for that shit.
Busting out the dustpan. Oh, she just grabbed him.
Should've done the touch the sky move.
Oh. God.
It's fucking me up.
Yeah, it's fucking me up too. Just turn that off and fix that cable, man.
Yeah, you can turn it off.
Yeah,
Maybe why, like, that's the fucking with
yeah,
you.
it's fucking with
Let it cool down,
Like
maybe,
we're
and then
high.
turn it on.
Final round.
Oh.
Oi! Oh, not a full. You. Oi!
Ricky,
Throw some more donuts at him.
Maintain defense, Ricky.
Donuts.
Yeah, maintain defense, Ricky.
Donuts!
Defense.
Nice!
There you go, donuts all day.
Donuts.
This shit flickers so much that it's in my corner of my eye.
Right here. There you go, Ricky. Defense. Don't give on nothing. Block everything. There you go. That's nothing.
yes.
That's nothing. That's nothing. Take a little throw. Take a little throw. There you go.
Touch him.
Nice.
Donuts, yes.
Beautiful.
Well, don't let him get Canadian,
Yeah.
actually.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. Defense. Defense. There you go. Say that EX. There you go. Oh. 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 Oh, no, blood.
No choking.
Oh.
Patience, man.
Kaz.
Ah, me.
Up to Kazmaier. Can he do it?
Nice, Rod. Sweating it.
He has taken that. He has OCV team before in the past. He has history of OCV teams.
It was Mark's night. That one night.
Yeah, it was.
Or just
That's a big
It was like every god was giving you love.
They were touching him. They were going, you have my power.
Teach him what he's all about.
There you go, Kaz. There you go, Kaz. Oh, nice, Kaz. I like it. Big damage, Kaz. There you go, Kaz. Play safe, Kaz. Play safe.
I like that.
Oh my God. No.
Shit.
There you go, Kaz. You know what to do. You know what to do. You know what to do, Kaz. There you go. Oh my God, Rod.
You know something.
You know something, Kaz doesn't.
Oh,
Oh my God.
Rod,
Kaz. What? Oh my God. What's going on with you, Kaz?
Is it gonna be Rod's night?
Rod is nice.
The Joker.
What's going on, Kaz? Kazzy can't find the answer to this. Getting hit with everything. Morale low. Come back right here. Oh my God. Rod knowing everything. Oh, here we come. He has meter. Oh, that's gonna hurt. That's gonna hurt. This could be the end.
Quarter screen away.
This could be it. Oh, here we go, Kazzy. For everything. For everything, Kaz. Oh my God. The assassin. 10 run. That's a 10 run now.
Wait, is it already? Juan is the last one.
Yeah.
Juan is the last
General.
guy.
Holy shit, I was like.
Yeah. Here we go.
Fuck.
Rod, a big test right here. Can he do it? Can he
Big
get past
test.
by him?
Just carry us, Sandra.
He wants to be part of Mount
Not
Rushmore.
much of a choice.
Forced it on him.
Oh my god, getting first hit. Here comes Tenred. Full power. Displaying the athleticism.
Knockdown.
Aye, Tenred!
Aye, athletic.
Beautiful. Tricks.
Gaseously.
Tricks. Max looking on. He possibly could go next.
Oh, I like that.
Nice. Break his neck. 3 times.
Holy, 3 times. Oh, Tenred!
Get dirty. Get dirty.
Oh my god. The gods are touching him.
He's touching them back.
Touching him back. Oh, bye bye.
That was fucking insane, dude.
Oh my